Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, there lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Lily. Lily had sparkling blue eyes that shimmered like the sky, and her golden curls danced in the wind as she explored the world around her. One sunny morning, as Lily was playing in her backyard, she discovered a mysterious, overgrown gate hidden behind a curtain of ivy. Intrigued, she pushed the gate open and found herself standing at the entrance of the Enchanted Garden. The garden was a magical place filled with vibrant flowers of every color imaginable, each emitting a soft, melodious hum. Butterflies with wings of iridescent hues fluttered around, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming blossoms. In the center of the garden stood an ancient oak tree, its branches reaching toward the sky like a protective guardian. As Lily ventured further into the garden, she encountered a group of friendly animals who spoke in a language only she could understand. There was Oliver the wise owl, Bella the gentle rabbit, and Jasper the playful fox. Together they became fast friends, and they showed Lily the wonders of the Enchanted Garden. Deep within the garden, they discovered a sparkling pond that reflected the colors of the rainbow. At the edge of the pond, a tiny fairy named Celestia appeared. She had delicate wings that shimmered like the stars, and her laughter was like tinkling wind chimes. Celestia explained that the Enchanted Garden was a magical realm where dreams came to life. She told Lily that she was chosen to be the guardian of this wondrous place and that her pure heart had unlocked the gate. Lily and her newfound friends spent days exploring the Enchanted Garden, embarking on adventures that took them to the highest treetops and the deepest corners of the magical land. They discovered secret pathways, danced with the fireflies, and even had picnics with the talking animals. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the stars began to twinkle, Celestia approached Lily with a small, glowing seed. She explained that it was the seed of dreams, a magical seed that had the power to bring joy and happiness to the world. With a hopeful heart, Lily planted the seed in the center of the garden. As she watered it with kindness, love, and laughter, the seed began to grow into a magnificent tree, its branches spreading far and wide. The magic of the Enchanted Garden spread beyond its borders, reaching Lily's village and filling the hearts of all its inhabitants with warmth and joy. The once dull village transformed into a place of laughter, kindness, and dreams coming true. And so Lily, with her friends and the magic of the Enchanted Garden, taught everyone the power of kindness, love, and the beauty that lies within the heart. The Enchanted Garden became a timeless symbol of the magic that happens when we open our hearts to the wonders around us. And so the story of Lily and the Enchanted Garden lived on, inspiring generations with its tale of friendship, magic, and the endless possibilities that lie within each of us.